we raise beef. That's how we live here. There's not a lot of other industries in the Sandhills.
I love the independence. I love living where we live, getting to be outside. Love working with my family. We're on our family ranch here in McPherson County, Nebraska, right in the Nebraska Sandhills.
This will be our 20th year of being married, so I've lived here for 20 years. We have 2 sons. They're both really good help. This is a great lifestyle. They get to learn how to work.
Rachel is indispensable to this operation. If she left, I'd have to hire like 2 guys, a nanny and a cook and a housekeeper and a bookkeeper. She's the detail person on this place. I'm the big picture guy.
He has so many ideas, and so I'm always trying to get caught up and get things finished up, and he's always on to something new.
My parents have a pretty good relationship, help each other out, and they're there for each other in the hard times.
We run around 16 to 1,700 head of Angus-based cows on about 30,000 acres. We're producing some of the safest, best quality beef in the world. We're doing it in an environmentally sustainable manner, and we're really proud of what we do.
The Sandhills used to be called the Great American Desert when they first came because there's hardly any grass. Now there's a lot of grass. The Ogallala Aquifer is underneath us. We are very lucky with water.
We've incorporated a lot of solar submersible wells, so our water sources, probably about half of them are solar powered now. We have a computer generated rotational grazing system to help us make sure we're not overgrazing any of our pastures and utilizing them properly. You've got a sense of responsibility to take care of that ranch that's been in the family for a number of years. It's not some corporate entity that's just going to come in and use it up and walk away from it.
We care about the community that we live in. We care about our animals, our environment, and we want it to be around for future generations.
We love our cows. If we don't take care of our animals, we're going to be out of business in really short order. We work with a livestock nutritionist to make sure the nutritional needs of our animals are met and their health is taken care of. Other than that, it's making sure they've got adequate forage and fresh water.
But in the end, it's so rewarding. We do take a lot of pride in it, and it is a lot of work.
You wake up and you work a full day and you go to bed tired and wake up and do it again.
We're proud of what we do. We take care of the environment, we take care of the cattle, and one thing we need to do better as an industry is we need to communicate that. We need to have trust between us and the consumer. We just used to do the natural beef almost on a handshake. Now it's third-party verified just to make sure everything is what we say it is.
It really helps link what we do for the consumer to realize we really do care about the product we're producing and that it is a safe and wholesome product that they can feed their family.
Raise the cattle and provide food for the world.